How to remove brokerage cash from Robinhood. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove your brokerage cash from Robinhood. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll see this home page, and here on the bottom right corner you'll see this person icon. Click on it and it will show you accounts menu. Then click on transfers, or you can also click on search bar and type in transfers. Now click on transfer to your bank. This is where you'll move your brokerage cash out of Robinhood into the amount you want to withdraw. You can only withdraw settled cash. Then select your bank account and tap transfer. So this is how you can remove brokerage cash from Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.